Recently, the Xishan No. 1 Shield TBM, developed and manufactured by Tongxing Technology, successfully completed its tunneling task, marking the official success of the underground construction phase of the Nanjing Xishan 220 kilovolt power line cable tunnel project. Since its launch on March 6th, Xishan No. 1 steadily excavated 165 meters in a 17 meters deep shield shaft, precisely addressing complex geological conditions, multiple point crossings, and shallow burial challenges, setting a high-quality benchmark for power tunnel construction. The tunneling path crossed both rock and silted clay layers, with significant geological strength differences reaching up to 31.5 megapascals, putting higher demands on the performance of a shield TBM. Tongxing Technology tailored the Xishan No. 1 cutterhead structure and tool configuration based on actual working conditions, innovatively adopting a dual-circuit slurry system to efficiently break rock ahead of the machine and discharge slurry efficiently behind it, ensuring safe and efficient tunneling. The Xishan No. 1 has a diameter of 4.3 meters and a minimum burial depth of just 7 meters. To meet high-precision control requirements, the machine is equipped with a dual-redundant intelligent control system consisting of a laser gyroscope and tilt sensors, precisely controlling its posture and achieving senseless tunneling through the city's complex underground environment. The Nanjing Xishan 220 kilovolt power line project is a key project to ensure regional power supply security. Once completed, it will relieve the load pressure on the existing power grid and support the economic development of key areas such as universities and science and technology parks. In the future, Tongxing Technology will continue to assist national energy infrastructure construction through technological innovation, providing safe and efficient underground space solutions for more cities.